trading with price action or trading with indicators. So there is a lot of debate with this topic, whether you become profitable with just price action or you become profitable with using indicators. So which one is more profitable and best in the industry? What type of approaches in the technical analysis? So which one is the better one and consistently profitable one? Not just profit with one trade, it's consistent profits is what we are talking today. This is Dhanush here, a professional trader with 4 plus years of experience in the stock market. Today we are going to talk about the difference between the price action trader and the indicator based trader with examples I'm going to tell you, so which will actually add value into your trading, and this will make sense to you in your trading journey. So watch the complete video until the end and come up with your questions. So with this being said, let's start the video. I know most of you guys are here are the traders or trying to become a better trader. Some may be in their early beginning of their trading journey and some have already mastered this skill. Any type of trader you being, if you're watching this video, just wanted to understand what is the difference between these indicators having on the charts and without having on the charts. So let's understand in detail. So everyone who actually uses the technical analysis will be using either of this one distinct approach to their trading, means to execute their trades. But ultimately, which one is the best profitable and more consistently profitable one is what we're gonna figure out. With that being said, look into these chart and examples where I will clearly explain you how the trading will be with the indicators and without the indicators. Very simple explanation guys, do not miss this until the end. So my dear traders, this is the Nifty chart which we are seeing on the screen. You can clearly see there is no indicator or anything plotted on the charts. It is just the candlestick pattern which representing the price here. So how do we analyze here? So keeping consideration that the price action trader, what he does is the important things in the price action is support demand, resistance supply, and some trend lines could be the tools which he uses in the price action. So with that being considered, let's draw a simple demand structure here. So this is the demand. So when the prices are at demand, we'll look for the buying here according to the price action, but we need to make sure what is the trend. For that, we draw a trend line here. You can clearly see there is a trend line, and we'll watch what happens for the price. So the price breaks the trend line, and then it makes a simple retest here, simple retest, and then price pulls up. So we can actually initiate the trade somewhere here, or if you are a very breakout trader here, you can take up a trade anywhere, and you we can ride this trade from here, breakout candle till this resistance here. So we should be also careful about the resistance. So this is our supply or resistance, carrying that here we could take the targets. So let's see and again how the trade goes. So the trade is moving good, quite good. It might hit our targets. Yes, it's almost. Yes, this is done. Luckily, we hit our targets. Wait. So here again, we can draw a trend line here as well. This is a winning trade. So done with this winning trade. Again, draw a trend line and trend line breaks down here. If you are again a breakdown trader, this is a stop loss you should be taking. Or else if you have a retest trader, then again there is no retest happening here. Price moves on. You miss a trade here. Done. So this is one part. Now we'll go back to this. Now we will understand how we can trade the same chart with the simple indicators. For simplicity purpose, I'll be just using the moving averages here. So I'll quickly go to this replay bar and then cut down the chart, and then I'll apply some indicators, that is some exponential moving averages. Three moving averages is what I'm using here. One is 8, 21, and 50 moving averages. The simple system is whenever 8, 21, and 50 are in line, which means 8 is first and then the 21 and then 50, we can say it is a clear trend. So and we will look for the crossover. Now you can see the trend is bearish, and we will look for the crossover, whichever side we don't care, we'll look for the crossover. Now what happens here, you can clearly see that 8 EMA clearly breaking 21. It is our first intimation, our first um, observation for the trend change. Now again it breaks to the 50 EMA also, which means it's a double jump. We say it as a double jump. It means that the trend is strongly changing. So here we need our attention. So we'll wait for the retest here. So when the retest happens, we will enter on the retest. So here, when we enter after the crossover, when we enter here, we will watch for this trade to begin here and then again book the targets at this junction also, or else we will exit during the next crossover. So we'll start the trade, we'll start here, starts moving quite good with 821 and 50 MA being in line, keeping us in very strong conviction. We have a strong conviction here, just remember, because the trend is very clear, very clear, and very clear that keeps moving. Here in the price action, we booked our profits, but here we still rolling, we're still going again till here, till this price. We can ride this trade with the use of this moving average crossover. So here we first crossover happens, so we can exit the trade here. So this is it. See, it's like 1:10 hour. So this is what we want to achieve in trading. So since this is actually the difference between the price action and the moving averages, both is actually good for the technical, analysis part. But which one is actually giving you more conviction in taking up the trades, taking entries, and getting exits? So that actually does matters. So please understand and focus on which you are interested, either the price action giving you a more conviction or the moving averages giving you more conviction. So in my perspective, understanding the price action is very, very important, but still I would choose to trade with some moving averages, some indicators like RSI, and some indicators for my conviction and confluence. So why? Because conviction is very, very important in executing your trades. During your entries, what gives you confidence to enter? It is that conviction. So for conviction, personally, I couldn't find better conviction with just the price action. When I added some moving averages or the indicators, even in my day trading, Nifty and stocks such as, I will be using indicators with my price action to get me a good conviction and confidence. So here I'll be using pivot points as an indicators, which will help me to enter and exit into trades. Hence, personally, I would say that indicators are good with the price action, not like only indicators. With the price action, it is always a better one to use. So I conclude that only price action is not the king. Do not think that only if you use the price action you will become consistently profitable, and all the professionals use only price action, hence they become profitable and professionals. No traders, just it's all just people saying around you, so you feel that that might be true, but not. Listen to me, do not think that the one who is using the indicators for their tradings are dumb and they don't know the trading, hence they use the indicators. No guys. So you decide to yourself. Once you understand the price action, if you get the conviction and confidence in entering and exiting your trades, then it works for you. That's well and good. If not, try some indicators, put some indicators on charts and see which one actually gives you more of one step forward, like giving you a conviction or the confidence to enter into trades. So traders, this is completely a personal preference to use indicators or not. Think wisely and select what you want and what works for you, and do good in trades. That should be the goal. With this, signing off, Dhanush here. And if you like the video or content, just give a thumbs up or subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.